In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow as a realtor. 2026 full guide. First, let's launch Zillow. You can open it in any modern web browser or download the mobile app from your phone's app store if you prefer working on the go. When the platform opens, you'll see the main paths: buying, renting, and selling. As a realtor, pick the path that aligns with what you're working on today. If you're prospecting for buyers, choose buying. If you're helping a landlord or exploring inventory for tenants, choose renting. If you're preparing a listing presentation or evaluating comps, head to selling. That initial choice helps tailor what you see next. Now let's do a basic search. Type a city, neighborhood, or a specific address into the search bar. Zillow will immediately populate results for that area. You can navigate the map to focus in or stay with the list view if you prefer scanning. Each listing card gives you quick stats you can digest at a glance. The price, photos, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and other basic details that help you rule properties in or out quickly. Use this pass to get the lay of the land and spot patterns in pricing and inventory. To get precise, apply filters. Start with budget and set a realistic price range based on your client's pre-approval or target market segment. Next, select the property type: single-family homes, condos, townhomes, or apartments, so your results match your assignment. Finally, choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms needed. Tightening these three filters removes noise and keeps your shortlist focused, which saves time and sets expectations with clients. When a property catches your eye, open the full details page. Take a slow tour through the photos to understand layout and condition, then read the description for updates, features, and any disclosures the listing highlights. Scroll to the data history to see how the price has moved over time. This helps you gauge seller motivation and momentum. Check the valuation estimates to understand how the home is positioned relative to the market. Treat these as a directional guide, not a replacement for your professional analysis. As you evaluate, use the Save button on promising properties. This builds a clean comparison set you can revisit or share in a conversation. If you sign in, you can also save your search criteria: location, price, property type, and room count, so you don't have to rebuild it every time. Finally, enable alerts to be notified the moment new homes fit your saved search. Instant awareness lets you move quickly, schedule showings sooner, and keep clients ahead of the crowd. And that is all for today. Once you've mastered these basics, you'll be navigating the real estate market like a pro. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.